Look at your hands for a moment. Not just a quick glance. Really observe them. Notice the texture of the skin, the fine lines, the thinness that may not have been there years ago. Most people tend to notice wrinkles on the face first. However, medical professionals often point out that the hands can show signs of aging even earlier, because the skin there is thinner and constantly exposed to sunlight, frequent washing, and daily use over many years. Here is something many older adults are rarely told. After the age of 60, the skin on the hands begins to lose collagen and natural oils at a faster rate. Blood circulation to the surface also decreases, and the protective fat layer beneath the skin becomes thinner. As a result, the skin may start to appear dry, wrinkled, and more delicate, even if you regularly use hand cream. But here is the interesting part. There are simple daily habits and natural remedies that can help improve circulation, support collagen function, and enhance the overall appearance of the skin in just a few minutes. These do not require expensive treatments or complicated routines, just small, consistent actions that help the skin maintain moisture and elasticity. In this video, we will share 5 easy home remedies that may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles on the hands, ranked from the least effective to the most effective. Number 2 is especially notable, as many dermatologists quietly recommend it for its combined benefits of hydration and improved circulation. You will also find references and additional background information in the description if you would like to explore the research further. Before we continue, leave a comment with your age and whether your hand skin feels smooth, dry, or wrinkled lately. I read the comments and respond whenever possible. Now, let's begin with home fix number 5, the first simple step that can start improving the appearance of the skin on your hands. Number 5, reduce the look of aging with 2 simple kitchen ingredients. Many people don't realize that one of the main reasons hands appear wrinkled and aged is not just the wrinkles themselves, but the layer of dead skin cells sitting on the surface. This buildup can make the skin look dull, rough, and older than it actually is. After the age of 60, the natural process of skin cell renewal slows down significantly. Research published in the British Journal of Dermatology reports that skin cell turnover in adults over 65 can take around 40 to 60 days, compared to about 20 to 28 days in younger individuals. This means dead skin cells remain on the surface much longer, contributing to a dry, paper-like texture that can make wrinkles appear more pronounced. A simple scrub made from sugar and lemon can help address this. Sugar naturally contains glycolic acid, an ingredient commonly used in professional skin treatments. It helps loosen and remove dead skin cells, allowing fresher, smoother skin to come through. Lemon juice adds citric acid along with vitamin C. A 2017 study published in the journal Nutrients highlighted vitamin C's role in supporting collagen production in aging skin. To prepare this mixture, combine 2 tablespoons of white or brown sugar with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and about half a tablespoon of olive oil for added moisture. Gently massage the mixture onto the back of your hands using small circular motions for about 60 seconds per hand, focusing on areas like the knuckles and between the fingers where lines tend to be more visible. There is no need to apply pressure, as the sugar granules do the work as they gradually dissolve. After about 2 to 3 minutes, rinse your hands with lukewarm water. Avoid hot water, as it can strip natural oils and make dryness worse. A clinical observation in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that gentle exfoliation twice a week improves skin texture by 22% in participants over 60 within 6 weeks. Consistency and a gentle approach are important. The goal is not to scrub harshly, but to support the skin's natural renewal process. Use this method twice a week, ideally in the evening, and follow with a good moisturizer to help retain hydration. You may begin to notice smoother-looking skin within 2 weeks, with more visible improvement over 6 weeks. If you have any cuts or open areas on your hands, avoid using lemon juice and substitute it with honey, which offers soothing and antibacterial properties without irritation. Now that the surface layer has been refreshed, the next step focuses on restoring what the skin has gradually lost over time. Before moving on, if you're finding this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Number 4, apply this to your hands before going to bed tonight. Here is something many seniors are not aware of. During sleep, the skin goes through its most active repair phase. Research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology in 2020 shows that cell regeneration can nearly double between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. This makes nighttime an ideal period for skin recovery and restoration. However, many people miss this opportunity by going to bed with dry, untreated hands. This is where an overnight coconut oil treatment can be helpful. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which makes up a large portion of its fatty acids. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences reported that lauric acid has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce age-related skin damage. One of the key benefits of coconut oil is its molecular structure. The medium-chain fatty acids are small enough to penetrate beyond the surface layer of the skin, unlike many commercial hand creams that remain on top. A 2018 randomized controlled trial published in the journal Dermatitis found that individuals who applied virgin coconut oil twice daily experienced a 24% increase in skin hydration, along with improved skin barrier function compared to those using mineral oil-based products. To use this method, begin by washing your hands with lukewarm water and a gentle soap about 30 minutes before bedtime. Take approximately 1 teaspoon of virgin cold-pressed coconut oil and rub it between your palms until it melts. Massage it into the backs of your hands, fingers, knuckles, and wrists using gentle upward strokes for about 2 minutes. The upward motion helps support blood flow toward the surface, where skin cells require nutrients and oxygen for repair. After massaging, wear a pair of soft cotton gloves or clean cotton socks over your hands. This helps create a warm environment that allows deeper absorption while preventing the oil from transferring onto bedding. In the morning, after removing the gloves, your hands should feel softer and more hydrated. Research in skin pharmacology and physiology has shown that covering treated skin, known as occlusion, can significantly increase the absorption of topical treatments compared to leaving them uncovered. For best results, repeat this process 3 to 4 nights per week. Many people begin to notice smoother skin within about 10 days. The increased hydration helps plump the skin, making fine lines less visible and reducing the appearance of deeper wrinkles over time. Continued use over several weeks has been associated with noticeable improvements in overall skin appearance in older adults. It is important to use virgin cold-pressed coconut oil rather than refined versions, as processing can reduce beneficial compounds. With your hands now more deeply nourished, the next step focuses on another specific factor that contributes to the appearance of aging hands. Number 3, soak your hands in this for 3 minutes daily. You may already know that green tea is healthy to drink, but what many people don't realize is that applying green tea directly to the skin has been widely studied for its anti-aging effects. The key compound is epigallocatechin gallate, commonly known as EGCG, which has been examined in thousands of research studies for its role in skin health. A well-known study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that EGCG reduced the activity of enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases by up to 60%. These enzymes break down collagen and elastin, the proteins that help keep skin firm, smooth, and resilient. After the age of 60, these enzymes tend to become more active, while the body produces less collagen to replace what is lost. This imbalance contributes to the deepening of wrinkles over time. Applying green tea directly to the skin allows EGCG to be delivered where it is most needed. A 2010 study published in Rejuvenation Research reported that topical green tea extract improved skin elasticity by 25% and increased moisture levels by 22% in women over 55 after 60 days of consistent use. To prepare this remedy, brew 3 green tea bags in 2 cups of hot water and allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes to create a concentrated solution. Let it cool to a comfortably warm temperature, making sure it is not hot. Pour the tea into a shallow bowl and soak the backs of your hands for about 3 minutes. Gently move your fingers and flex your hands so the liquid reaches all areas of the skin. If soaking is not convenient, you can soak 2 cloths in the tea and place them over your hands instead. After the treatment, do not rinse your hands. This allows the beneficial compounds to continue absorbing into the skin. Lightly pat your hands until they are slightly damp. Then apply your usual moisturizer or the coconut oil method mentioned earlier to help lock in hydration. Green tea also contains antioxidants that help combat free radical damage. Research published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine has identified this type of damage as a major contributor to photoaging caused by long-term sun exposure. Over the years, hands are often exposed to sunlight during activities like driving or outdoor work, leading to accumulated skin damage. Regular use of green tea may help improve the appearance of this damage over time. For best results, repeat this process daily, preferably in the afternoon or evening. Within 4 to 6 weeks, the skin on your hands may feel firmer, appear smoother, and show a more even tone. This method is simple, low cost, and supported by strong scientific evidence. However, the next step works in a different way by addressing a deeper underlying factor that contributes to aging hands. Number 2. Mix these two ingredients to help rebuild your skin quickly. If you have ever wondered which natural ingredient comes closest to the effects of expensive clinical treatments, research often points to aloe vera. When combined with vitamin E, the effects can be even more noticeable. A study published in the Annals of Dermatology in 2008 reported that aloe vera stimulates fibroblast activity. Fibroblasts are the cells responsible for producing collagen in the skin. In participants over 45, aloe vera gel increased fibroblast activity by up to 300% compared to untreated skin. This means a significant boost in the cells that help maintain the structure and firmness of youthful-looking skin. Adding vitamin E enhances these effects further. Vitamin E is known as a chain-breaking antioxidant, meaning it helps stop the process of oxidative damage that contributes to skin aging. A study in the Journal of Molecular Medicine found that topical vitamin E reduced signs of UV-related skin damage by 36% and improved moisture retention by 28% in mature skin within 4 weeks. When aloe vera and vitamin E are combined, they create a treatment that both supports collagen production and helps protect the skin from further damage. To prepare this mixture, take 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. Fresh gel from an aloe vera leaf is ideal, but a high-quality store-bought gel with at least 95% aloe content can also be used. Add the contents of 2 vitamin E capsules by piercing them and squeezing the oil into the gel. Mix thoroughly until smooth. Apply a generous layer to the backs of your hands, fingers, and wrists, ensuring full coverage over areas with visible lines. Then set a timer for 3 minutes and gently massage the mixture into your skin using slow, circular motions. The massage plays an important role. A 2015 study in PLOS 1 showed that mechanical stimulation through massage can increase local blood flow by 40% and improve the absorption of topical treatments. After the 3-minute massage, you can leave the remaining layer on your skin for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or allow it to absorb naturally. Aloe vera is lightweight and non-greasy, so rinsing is optional unless there is any stickiness. Research published in Skin Research and Technology found that consistent use of aloe vera-based treatments 5 times per week increased skin thickness by 18% in adults over 60 within 90 days. Increased thickness helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles by providing more structure and volume to the skin. This treatment is gentle enough for daily use and is often recommended as a base routine that can enhance the effects of other skincare steps. You have now seen 4 effective methods, but the final one stands out even more, with results that have surprised researchers. Number 1. The most affordable anti-wrinkle secret that doctors rarely talk about. This is the one that can make the biggest difference. Once you understand the science behind it, you may wonder why it is not more widely discussed in skincare. Retinol is a form of vitamin A and is one of the most extensively studied and proven anti-aging ingredients in dermatology. A large meta-analysis published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology reviewed decades of research and found that retinol consistently reduced fine lines and wrinkles by around 40 to 45% in clinical studies, with some results appearing in as little as 4 weeks. What makes retinol so effective is that it works at a cellular level. It signals skin cells to behave more like younger cells. A 2007 study from the University of Michigan, published in the Archives of Dermatology, found that topical retinol increased collagen production, even in skin over 80 years old, by activating pathways typically seen in much younger skin. The researchers also observed that retinol reduced the activity of enzymes that break down collagen, while increasing the formation of new collagen fibers, helping to improve skin structure over time. Now, here's where honey becomes important and why this combination works so well. Raw honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. A 2013 study in the journal Wounds found that honey supported tissue repair and improved regeneration compared to standard treatments. When combined with retinol, honey helps keep the skin hydrated and calm, while retinol works beneath the surface to support renewal. This combination can also help reduce the irritation that sometimes occurs when retinol is used alone. To prepare this treatment, use a low-strength over-the-counter retinol cream, ideally between 0.25% and 0.5% if you are new to it. Take a pea-sized amount and mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey in a small bowl until fully blended. Apply a thin, even layer to the backs of your hands, fingers, and knuckles about 30 minutes before going to bed. Gently massage for around 2 minutes to help absorption. Then wear cotton gloves, similar to the coconut oil method, and leave it on overnight. A study in the British Journal of Dermatology found that covering the treated area can improve absorption and effectiveness while reducing surface irritation. Start by using this method 2 nights per week for the first 2 weeks, then gradually increase to 4 or 5 nights per week as your skin adjusts. Research in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology observed that adults over 60 who use low-dose retinol consistently for 12 weeks showed a 44% reduction in wrinkle depth, a 39% improvement in skin firmness, and a 31% reduction in age spots. These results are based on measured clinical outcomes using skin imaging techniques. This combination works by supporting the skin internally while also protecting and hydrating it externally. Within a few weeks, the skin may appear smoother, feel firmer, and develop a healthier look. After a few months, the improvement can become more noticeable. If you found these methods helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss future videos with more simple, science-based tips for maintaining healthy skin. See you in the next video. Take care, and thank you for watching until the end.